Kate with Stefan Pimentel in Messenger. Because I thought David Gill and that's how I fixed the friendship with Stefan Pimentel. But here's the one thing. I just want to apologize to Rafa Soko for what I did to him. I made the fake account of Rafa Soko that I bully him or humiliate him. I know this is my consequence. For meanwhile, I know Rafa Soko. Um, he never vote Bongbong Marcos. So he vote Lenny Robredo. Yeah, this is all my fault because I talked with Denzel Joshua yesterday that I never want to bully Rafa. Because I know Rafa Soko, right? Rafa Soko, I just wanna apologize for all I made the mistake, for all I made the consequence for him and to his family members. I know this is my fault too. And I know Rafa Soko. Because the time I first met Rafa Soko, 2015, I bully him. And even, in 2018, 6 years ago, I vandalized his, I never say I vandalized. I said I put target. Oh. And now Rafa was getting angry. And I know this is my consequence for what I did to Rafa Soko. Alright. Because I know this is my consequence. And I realized that I explained to Mr. Dennis Gill when I was in barangay that Rafa Soko is the guy who criticized your son David Gill. But that time for me I'm the one who attacked Rafa Soko. It's not David Gill's fault. It's my fault that I bully him. And I know I apologize, but here's the one thing. I'm just gonna tell to Rafa Soko, I know I was being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. And I know I'm not a Marcos loyalist anymore. I am an anti-Marcos. And I'm a pro-Duterte. And I realize, I say to Rafa Soko, I apologize anyway, even those his uncle was that uh, Arjun Soko. Oh, that was his uncle. Arjun Soko is also an anti-Marcos. I know Rafa Soko's uncle was anti-Marcos. Oh, that was a huge slap to Kuya Copio. If Kuya Copio is a pro Marcos, if he says about yelling at Marcos, oh. What if he yelled at Marcos to Rafa Soko in his house in Quezon City? Rafa Soko is an anti-Marcos. Oh. You remember his sister Leah is also an anti-Marcos. Even his parents, even that father of Rafa Soko named Bong Soko, he's also anti-Marcos. I know if you realize this, Kuya Copio, everyone hates Marcos. If I just wanna say, I know this is my fault that I never want to vote Bongbong Marcos. I should join with J. Rick Silva to vote Manny Pacquiao. Or I should vote um, Lenny Robredo, I should join with Roydan Marlang, Mang Rodelio Daguman, or Teacher Jessa Fernandez, and even Denzel Joshua. I should vote Lenny Robredo in 2022, or I should vote Manny Pacquiao, or I should join with my dad, Isko Moreno. I know this is my fault that I voted Bongbong Marcos. This is my consequence, me and Apollo Sanchez. And now we are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. And nabudo na tayo. Just like I said before, I'm just gonna say to Rapasoco, I'm here to apologize for what what I have done, what I made the consequence. And my New Year resolution anyway, I should never piss those anyone, or I should not piss this is my fault that I harassed Teacher Gio Malana, and even who else? But Teacher Vincent Ramos, he doesn't know Rapasoco. Hindi niya kilala yon. That's why he was not there in CDIFI. But this is the one thing for sure. I know this is not really happen again. And I'm here to apologize to everyone, to Teacher Jessa Fernandez, even to Rapasoco, Teacher Gio Malana, and Teacher Vincent Ramos, and Teacher Kel Pabelo. This is all my fault.